Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can a police officer legally open your car door without your permission? The short answer is usually no, but the long answer is much more complicated because of several important exceptions. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures, and your car is a protected space. Generally, for an officer to search your car, which includes opening the door to look inside, they need a warrant. However, in the real world, officers rarely have a warrant during a traffic stop. Instead, they often rely on exceptions to the warrant rule. The biggest exception is probable cause. If an officer has a legitimate reason to believe that your car contains evidence of a crime, they can search it without a warrant. This is known as the automobile exception. For example, if they pull you over and smell a strong odor of marijuana or alcohol coming from your car, or if they see something illegal in plain view, like a bag of drugs or a weapon on the passenger seat, that can establish probable cause. This is called the plain view doctrine. If they can see illegal items from outside the car, they are typically allowed to enter the car to seize that evidence. Another major exception is officer safety. During a traffic stop, an officer is allowed to take steps to ensure their own safety. If they have a reasonable suspicion, based on specific facts, that you might be armed and dangerous, they may be able to open your door or even order you out of the car. They might also be able to conduct a limited search, or frisk, of the passenger compartment for weapons. A third common scenario is a search incident to a lawful arrest. If an officer arrests you for a crime, they are generally permitted to search your person and the area within your immediate control at the time of the arrest, which can include the passenger area of your vehicle. And finally, the most common way officers get into a car is with consent. If an officer asks for your permission to search and you say yes, you have waived your Fourth Amendment rights. It is crucial to remember that you have the right to refuse a search. You can and should clearly say, "Officer, I do not consent to any searches." If you are ordered out of the car, you should comply for safety, but that does not automatically grant consent to search the vehicle. So, while an officer can't just walk up and open your car door for no reason, the exceptions for probable cause, plain view, officer safety, and consent give them several legal pathways to do so. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about protecting your rights, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.